Hey there, fellow adventurers and fire pit enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the world of affordable fire pit alternatives, and trust me, it's a hot topic. You see, the Solo Stove Bonfire has been a game changer for many, with its sleek design and smoke-free magic. But let's be real, the price tag can be a bit eye-watering. So, I set out on a mission to find the best budget-friendly options, and boy, did I uncover some gems. First up, let me tell you about the GVDV collapsible fire pit. This bad boy is not only easy to transport but also has a unique feature: it can burn pellets. Imagine the convenience of having an affordable, easy-to-find fuel source. Plus, the perforated design adds a touch of elegance and a mesmerizing view of those dancing flames. Now, here's a fun fact. The East Oak Camber Fire Pit is Amazon's choice, and for good reason. With its innovative cone shape, it packs a punch in terms of flame and heat, outperforming the Solo Stove in many reviews. And the best part? It's priced at half the cost. Talk about a steal! Moving on, we have the hotshot Low Smoke Explorer Fire Pit. While it's not completely smokeless, reviewers are raving about its performance and ease of use. Plus, it comes with a storage bag, keeping your car soot-free. And the price? Well, it's a steal at just under $200. For those seeking a rustic vibe, the Blue Sky Outdoor Living Fire Pit is a gem. Designed for pellet burning, it's incredibly affordable and perfect for van life adventures. However, durability might be a concern in damp environments, so keep that in mind. Last but not least, the Tiki Patio Outdoor Smokeless Fire Pit is a stylish addition to any backyard. With its range of sizes and accessories, it's a versatile choice. And the best part? It's as good as a Solo Stove but with a more affordable price tag and a unique, stylish design. So, there you have it, folks. These affordable fire pit alternatives offer a range of benefits, from portability to fuel options and stylish designs. Personally, I think it's time to upgrade our camping gear and embrace these budget-friendly options without compromising on quality. What do you think? Are you ready to give these fire pits a try? Let's spark some conversation and share our camping adventures.